you know what? Now that I was in my own world, and the most important thing was, where is the library? And I would read, and I would go to the library and get 4 or 5 books at a time. So I was in my own world. And don't forget, I had an older brother and a younger brother. So we were sort of self-contained. And I didn't know enough to be unhappy. I did not particularly read Jewish literature. Mark Twain, the Boy Scout series. I read everything. And my older brother, who was 3 years older, he said, "You got to read this, you got to read that." And I became involved a little politically with the Spanish Civil War. That's 1936 and 37. One, I learned to sing the Spanish songs. Los cuatro generales, los cuatro, the 4 generals. Da 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 dum, da 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 dum. We hung the pictures on the wall from the Spanish Civil War. I read the Lincoln Brigada song, so I guess I was politically, I won't say active, but aware.